Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yunia Dwi Rahmawati with NPM 03118056 from Pakuan University, majoring English Education Study Program. Okay, in this video, I would like present the summary of an article analysis regarding authentic assessment of speaking skills for first grade junior high school. Okay, this is Journal of English Teaching, Literature and Applied Linguistics, Volume 18, Number 1, 2017. The authors are Sahyoni from IAIN Batu Sangkar and M. Zaim from PBS Universitas Negeri Padang. Okay, firstly we are talking about the introduction. It is widely known that every subject at schools need to be assessed in order to get information about their progress and achievement. Students need to practice a lot rather than recalling concepts or remembering some formula. Test is assumed not the only one way to collect information. Based on the preliminary research done at MTSN Batu Sangkar, it was found that English teachers have applied authentic assessment for speaking, but not fully covered student need and knowledge level. The problem of the research can be started as below. First is what are the obstacles were found in the assessment of speaking ability, and how do teachers apply authentic assessment in speaking skills? Okay, we are moved to the literature review. There are several definitions of authentic assessment proposed by experts. First, Collison states that authentic assessment is an evaluation that consists of various forms of performance measurement reflecting the student learning, achievement, motivation, and attitudes on instructionally relevant activities. And second, O'Malley and Pierce define authentic assessment as an evaluation process that involves multiple forms of performance measurement reflecting the student's learning achievement, motivation, and attitudes. Okay, next, finding and discussion. There are two findings as the result of the research and development on developing authentic assessment model. The model of authentic assessment of speaking skill and validity and practice of the model after it was implemented at school based on the result of need analysis which was done using interview and questionnaire. It was found that there are 6 models of activities for authentic assessment appropriately used in assessing speaking skill at first grade in MTSN Batu Sangkar. The 6 models are role play, information gap, picture talks, brief question and answer, narrating sequence, and pair dialogue. Okay, next is research methodology. This research used research and development design, which use ADI model and developing authentic assessment for speaking skill at first grade MTSN Batu Sangkar. Firstly, the researchers analyze needs analysis from the student by giving questionnaire. Second, the information from the questionnaire was the source of data in order to design a developed model. Third, the researchers developed the model, then the researchers ask expert judgment to validate the new model. Finally, the researchers check perfection from the student and teachers on feasibility of developed authentic assessment model for speaking. So the conclusion of this journal are: first, analyzing students' needs analysis toward authentic assessment, then designing the model of authentic assessment that is appropriate for the student. Next, developing the model of authentic assessment. The final project of the model of authentic assessment for speaking skill is obtained after following several revisions. 6 model authentic assessment for speaking skill have been developed since those models have been well validated by the expert. They are feasible for the user, particularly for the teachers and students. So, as for the contribution between this journal and my project, this authentic assessment is a type of performance-based assessment that can be used as a medium to encourage and build student competence by combining cognitive knowledge and the real world around them. Therefore, I think this journal is very suitable for my project and will be useful as a reference for the assessment of speaking learning in my project. Okay, that's all for the summary of this journal. I'm Yunia Dwi Rahmawati. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.